Here we go.
Yeah.
Welcome to our session about Wiki Loves Living Heritage at CC Summit. I'm Susanna Ones from Avoinglam, Helsinki, Finland.
And my name is Sadek Shahadu from the Grand Wikimedians User Group. I am also the communication manager for Wiki Loves Living Heritage.
So Wiki Loves Living Heritage celebrates the 20th anniversary of the UNESCO 2003 Convention on the safeguarding of intangible cultural heritage. And Avoinglam, together with the European network of focal points for the convention, thought about a project that could be done to celebrate this in collaboration with the Wikimedia communities. And it grew into becoming this Wiki Loves Living Heritage, a global collaboration between the focal points, managing the heritage, the intangible heritage safeguarding in different countries, and the Wikimedia organizations, communities in the respective countries. And it's about documenting and highlighting living heritage around the world using the Wikimedia platforms and bringing the appreciation for open knowledge to the new partners around the world. And this Wikimedia chapters and affiliates exist in around 180 countries, which is exactly the amount of actually 191. No, sorry, 181 this year with San Marino joining. So starting again, there are 181 intangible cultural heritage members to the convention, with San Marino joining this year, and the same amount approximately of Wikimedia affiliates around the world.
So local activities can be built around what any of the participating communities are already working on, and also giving new dimensions to it. And we also create awareness about Wikimedia opportunities around the world, especially with the UNESCO intangible cultural heritage. And we want to also tap into the existing activities that are already happening around the world within the Wikimedia communities, like the Wiki Loves Folklore, Wiki Loves Africa, Wiki Loves Monument, and stuff like that. So we do this by collaborating with like several Wikimedia communities, and also campaign organizers who are interested in organizing activities like photo walks, editathons, and challenges that contributes to living heritage within their communities or countries. Next slide. So here you can see some of the activities that we have done globally. We have campaigns that are happening around different regions, and I'll be sharing more about that in the next slide. Yeah, so the most recent one we had was the Singapore event at Wikimania, which was organized with the National Heritage Board in collaboration with the National Youth Achievement Award, where volunteers were asked to upload images of living heritage as part of the contest. And we did the awards at the Wikimania event, and participants were announced. Winners of the contest were announced at the Wikimania event in Singapore. Yeah.
Wiki Loves Living Heritage arranged a webinar on the ethics of open sharing with the Creative Commons Working Group in the spring. And also together with Wikimedia Culture and Heritage and the Let's Connect program to advocate for open access to living heritage documentation. So this is a very important aspect when we discuss sharing living heritage, cultural heritage of communities online openly. The copyright is not the main issue of openness. It is for example, public domain materials may have specific community protocols attached to them, but they are not manifested by any specific legislation or rules, and therefore they can be considered public domain and openly usable, while in fact they are not. And we would like to bring this thinking into Wikimedia projects, so more nuanced thinking about rights and protection, openness and safeguarding as a balancing act. And now we are at GlamHack in Geneva, and here we are our challenge.
Yes.
Challenge. It's the
Collaborating
C
with-
word. Is about bringing the local context, labels and notices into Wikimedia projects. We will not be able to complete the action today or during the event, but we are laying out the project. Like, what do we need to do? What kind of uploads do we need to have on Wikimedia Commons? What kind of discussions we need to have? Who needs to be involved? What problems are there? Who can assign these labels and notices and so on? So it's a kickstart, and stay tuned. It's a very interesting project.
Yeah, and we are doing this with local context.
Yes, it definitely, yes.
Yeah. So the wiki pages are used as blog posts and also showcase the activities that have been created on our website, which is the meta page. And the main pages, all the pages features like writings, reports, and galleries of events organized around the world, like the Wikimania event, ethics of sharing, and also other webinars that we have organized in collaboration with other communities. And all of the information contributed in the activities are translated in any of the 700 supported languages on Meta, and are also referenced in Wikipedia in more than 300 languages, which means the platform is language, it supports language, many languages that are currently supported on Meta, and it also can be translated in all the over 300 languages on Wikipedia.
Yeah, and we are encouraging the ICH focal points, i.e. ICH being Intangible Cultural Heritage focal points, and NGOs, those who do the safeguarding of the living heritage in all the countries, member countries. And as part of their work, they prepare inventories. And so we wish to bring them together with Wikimedians to import these national inventories of intangible cultural heritage to Wikidata. And when the data is on Wikidata, it can be displayed in very many ways, and the data can be used to power different displays and actions, such as displayed here is the Indonesian inventory, where you can see the buttons. By clicking on the buttons, one can upload images about that specific heritage item to Wikimedia Commons. And as you can see, the same page can be displayed in any language. Let me see what happened. Just a second, we have to convince that we are continuing this. Stay on the call. So, and the next slide also shows that we can also create data-driven pages for any of the elements. And these pages can, for example, display the data, all the data on Wikidata about that element. And we are also exploring ways in which we can make more automated displays of related knowledge data, such as the images relating to a specific heritage element, or the Wikipedia articles in different languages that are about this specific topic. And we can, well, one of the ideas to bring forward is to collect all the all the literature references from all the linked Wikipedia articles into this page, so that other language articles can also make use of them.
Okay, so the next things coming forward, we'll be having like a series of workshops, starting with some communities in West Africa, and we will be hosting a workshop in Tamale in Ghana in collaboration with the Dagbana Wikimedians User Group and the National Folklore Board Authority to engage Wikimedia communities on how we can contribute to Wiki Loves Living Heritage campaign. So in this month, October, third week of October, we'll be hosting the event in Ghana, Tamale to be specific, and this event will be supported by the Dagbana Wikimedians User Group, and we are inviting all Wikimedia communities around the northern region of Ghana to participate in the workshop, where we will introduce participants to what Wiki Loves Living Heritage campaign is all about, and how it is useful to us as a community, and also people from the northern part of Ghana, and also Ghana in general. And moving forward, we also hope to collaborate with several other Wikimedia communities around West Africa, like Nigeria, Benin, Burkina Faso, to be able to like work with the national folklore communities, and also the Wikimedians around these regions, to contribute content by organizing like campaigns, editathons, or Wikidata challenges to add more elements to the national inventories of their various countries. And so if you need more information about that, you can check out on the Wiki Loves Living Heritage, where we'll be like sharing more information about how you can be involved and how you can contribute to Wiki Loves Living Heritage campaign this year. And so yeah, if you are also like somebody who works in any kind of like heritage organization, and you are looking forward to like collaborating, or you want to know how you can be involved, please reach out to me or the Dagbana Wikimedians User Group, and we'll be happy to work with you.
So thank you for the attention, and hope to see you around in this project.
Yeah, thank you so much for being part of this session, and we look forward to engaging you more. Have a wonderful summit. Bye.